In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Metal clips at once. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Metal, and then here on the left you want to go to your library, and here you'll be able to see all your different clips you may have. So here I have just a few different Roblox clips just to show you how to do this. And then the first most important part is if you would like to delete all of them, you can just leave it like this with no filters. But if you would like to delete, for example, all the content from just a specific game, you can just make filters up here. So you can filter by, for example, game, by location, by types, by hashtags, people, or by different sessions or untitled content. Okay, so you can do that, and then once you do that, once your filters are set and there's anything you want to delete on your basically screen over here, what you're going to want to do is you want to hold down your control key, so control key on your keyboard, control, then press A, and then once you do this, all of these clips will get selected. After this, just press this delete button up top, and then you will get a confirmation, click on delete, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, all the clips have now been deleted. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.